Well, hello and welcome to the first of our Peter Blackshaw Manuka real estate reviews for 2016. I'm Mario Sanfrancesco, and with me today at the top of Red Hill Lookout is Belinda Chamberlain. Belinda, good morning and welcome.
Thanks, Mario. So happy to be here this morning. Hot off the press yesterday, we had some fantastic statistics from the ABS stating that Canberra is at 2.8% in national growth compared to the average of 0.2%. So that's a big difference.
That's very encouraging. And Belinda, how are you finding the activity within our team for 2016 so far?
I think our team has had a fabulous start to the year. We've had 78 properties listed, 52 of those are for auction. We've sold in excess of 52 million worth of real estate so far. I couldn't think of a better start to the year. So Mario, as an agent and auctioneer, how are you finding the activity at our auctions at the moment?
Increased level of interest in most properties. There's an increased number of registered parties at most of the auction campaigns that we're involved with, and in fact on more than 2 occasions we've managed to achieve results in excess of $200,000, either above the vendor's expectations or their set reserve price on the day. So we've managed to have some very happy sellers and some delighted buyers too amongst that, I must say, as well.
That's wonderful. Now I understand you're involved in the sale at 17 Tennyson. Can you tell us how that played out?
Sure, it was a delight to be involved in the sale of that one, Belinda, handling it for the original owners who have held the property since 1953. The property was in very original condition for its age, but very well kept for a property that's 62 years old. It had 4 bedrooms, very generous living areas, and an elevated parcel of land. The block itself was 2,017 square metres of prime forest land, quite rectangular in shape and northerly aspect to the rear. So throughout the course of the marketing, we saw over 100 inspections through the property. 9 of those parties selecting to register and be involved in the auction. We saw an auction with over 35 bids made for the property. A very competitive auction, finally coming down to the final 2 parties battling it out and eventuating in a sale under the hammer at $2,585,000. The sellers were delighted. And I must say the buyers were delighted with their purchase as well. Belinda, you're involved in the sale of number 14 Beecham Street in Deakin. Tell us about that one there.
Well, like your sale at Tennyson Crescent, it was original owners. It was architecturally designed, and funnily enough, by the same architect who designed the restaurant just above us here at the Carousel. It's a 1950s home. The fact that it was original was what motivated most of our buyer inquiry. It was an exciting auction. We had 16 registered bidders,
wow,
which caused Alec, of course, to be a bit run off his feet,
no
trying to
doubt.
give every buyer an opportunity.
Yep.
But it caused the sale to be in excess of 1.4 million.
Well, outstanding result by the sounds.
So Mario, can you tell us what specials coming onto the market?
Well, we do have some extremely special properties coming to the market shortly, Belinda. One of which is number 11 Hotham Crescent in Deakin. It's a wonderful location there, very tightly held. Magnificent position within Old Deakin. This particular property has a total of 5 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms and a study, spread over approximately 238 squares of living area. It sits on a parcel of land that's 1,404 square metres of blue ribbon, as I say, inner south land, and does offer the opportunity for a buyer to move right in and enjoy the accommodation as it is. It's in excellent condition, or alternatively refurbished, add some touches, or in fact it's the sort of position that could warrant a total rebuild for someone to build their own dream home in this prestigious location. The marketing of 11 Hotham is being handled by Dan McAlpine, our Deakin specialist. So the other feature property this week is number 10 Savage Place in Campbell, and this particular property is handled by our Campbell expert, Debbie Madigan. It's a superbly positioned property nestled in a very tranquil position. Offers a total of 5 bedrooms, a master bedroom with a built-in robes, very generous living areas. It has a wonderful natural stone fireplace. The property is approximately 193 square metres of living, and it sits on 901 square metres of land in Campbell. So it's a magnificent position, obviously very close to the city, and no doubt will generate some very, very good interest in the lead up to the auction campaign on that one. Looking forward to seeing the auction outcome to that particular property as well.
So Mario, we've had a fantastic start in sales. I believe our property management have also had a stellar start to the year.
Absolutely, Belinda. The team have had an extraordinary start for the first quarter, signing approximately 107 new leases and maintaining their vacancy rate at just 1.7%, which is a very, very good sign about the level of activity in rental at the moment.
That's fantastic. It sort of sounds like this is the prime opportunity to get involved in purchasing an investment with the interest rate so low and the property vacancy rate so low.
And not to mention the proven growth of the Canberra real estate market. I guess all the ingredients are there for a great opportunity for our investor clients and homeowners. Well, that's our market review for the month of March. On behalf of Belinda, myself and our entire team at Peter Blackshaw Manuka, thanks for joining us. We hope to see you at one of our open homes or auctions in the near future. Bye for now.
Bye for now.